Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Structural clues can crack this fast. We need the research question that best explains how G protein linked signaling may have evolved from similarities already given. Start with the evidence actually stated. Bacterial proton pumps have protein structures similar to G protein linked receptors in eukaryotes. That similarity points toward evolutionary relatedness, not random need, borrowing, or communication efficiency. So the best research question should test ancestry. If prokaryotic proteins resemble these receptors, we should ask whether the eukaryotic G protein-linked pathway came from an earlier prokaryotic precursor. That matches evolutionary logic exactly, because it investigates origin from shared structural features. Watch this. Option A directly asks that ancestry question, so it wins. Well done! Option A. Scan now. Don't rush past clues. Trust the given structural similarity and check which choice tests evolutionary origin.